Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to set up crossplay and cross save on Destiny 2. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log in to your Bungie Net account. Once logged in, head to the account configuration settings to begin the link up process. This step involves linking your platform accounts such as PSN, Xbox Live, Battle.net, Karma, or Steam to your Bungie account. To start, navigate to the Cross Save area of your Bungie profile. Here, you will need to perform several steps if you have previously connected accounts like Battle.net. For instance, if you've connected your Battle.net account, you will first need to link your Steam account and any other accounts tied to your Bungie account. After logging into all the relevant accounts, you will see an option to link them all under the Cross Save configuration. You will have to choose which active character you want to link across platforms. For example, if you have a character named Hunter on your PSN account, you will select this character for linking. Next, review the setup to ensure that you are linking the correct characters and progress. This includes verifying that the gear, loot, progress, and achievements from one platform will be available on the others. Once confirmed, your chosen character and progress will be transferred across all linked accounts. This means that when you log into any of these accounts, your character and all its associated progress will appear. After activating Cross Save, your game data will sync across platforms. For instance, if you decide to play primarily on Steam, your progress from Xbox, PS4, and Battle.net will be available on Steam. This linkage creates a unified experience across all platforms, allowing you to play seamlessly regardless of the device. So that's basically how you can set up crossplay and cross save on Destiny 2. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.